Hello and welcome back for another Agix price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Agix chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first focus on a trend line that we have here on the chart, which has now given us a breakout to the lower side, and it's suggesting that there is a change of trend here on the charts, where you can see that we had been trading above this ascending trend line, which has now given us this massive breakout to the lower side. And afterwards you can see that we have continued seeing further breakdown in a move that has now given us a low at around the $0.23885 mark. And in that breakdown move, you can also see that we have continued to trade within this descending channel, where you can see that at the time of this recording, we are just about to touch the lower side of the channel. And there are chances that in case further breakdown continues, we might first find support at the lower side of the channel. Then afterwards, we can continue seeing higher prices, maybe to the upper side of the channel. And on the worst case scenario, in case we see the breakout to the lower side, then we can continue expecting further breakdown, where we have our next key area of support at around the $0.227 mark. And at that key area of support, we can either find support and then get the bounce back to the upside. And if that key area of support does not hold, then we can expect a breakdown to the lower side, maybe get a successful retest before we can continue heading further down to our next key area of support at around the $0.2 mark. And Agix has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures. And jumping to the 4-hour chart for my Elliot wave analysis, you can see that Agix, after seeing the December lows down there, we started this massive bounce to the upside in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.67 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then afterwards, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area we have fully maximized. And having fully maximized that target area, whatever we expect next is the start of an impulsive move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3, and giving you minimum target areas for that third wave to the upside, assuming that you are not going to get one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2, by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.20412 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Agix to do in the formation of that wave 3. And for it to confirm to us that the low is in, we first need to see a 5-wave structure on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure and a break above significant highs. Once that plays out, then that will be enough confirmation that the low is in, and we can continue expecting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. So on the short-term point of view, I've said to you that in case further breakdown continues, I'm watching the next key areas of support at around the $0.227 mark and the $0.2 mark in case we lose the key area of support at around the $0.227 mark. So those are my breakdown targets. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI. On the RSI here on the 4-hour chart, we are trading at around the 55 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.